Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is class struggle given by Karl Marx. Dear students, according to Karl Marx, two types of classes exist in every type of society. Two types of classes exists in every society, and conflicts remain there in both of the classes. Dear students, the first class is that class which have all means of production. Which is a rich class. It is known as capitalist class. The second class is that class which have no means of production. Which are poor. It is known as liberal class. Dear students, capitalist class always exploit the labor class. Marx was viewed that capitalist class established large industries with the help of its money and give jobs to the labor class in their industry. But the capitalists takes more work from labor class, giving them less pay for that. Dear students, the labor class hardly gets the food of 2 times due to less daily wages. It struggles for whole life, even dies struggling with life. The capitalist class hardly does anything except invest his money, takes all the benefit, takes all the profit and the value, because of which rich becomes more rich and poor becomes more poor. Again, Marx views Marx was viewed that private property is the root cause of this exploitation. That is why two main classes remain there in every type of society. Capitalists have more means of production while as the laborers have nothing to sell except their labor. According to Marx, conflict and class struggle remains in both classes due to this exploitation, to which Marx gave the name class struggle. In class struggle, capitalists want more work and want to pay less. Laborers want more money for their work, but the capitalists don't want to pay them more. That is the why class struggle remains in both the classes. Marx said, at last, time will come, this class struggle will come to end, and laborers will go for revolution. And there will be the elimination of the capitalist class. Dear students, this is the concept of class struggle given by Karl Marx. Okay, thank you.